What's up, everyone? Today is driving day. Start from West Maizu and in front of Strange Shave Temple, Jodoji Temple. Yeah. So, yeah, enjoy my drive. Beach Boys, and that one is Japan Coast Guard. We don't have army, but we have Coast Guard. Yeah. This is the Straw Millionaire place. Roadside station, Tore Center. Yeah. If you don't see that one yet, please check sharp 20, sharp 27, 26 or 27. Yeah. Okay, let's go. I'm feeling I'm airplane. I can fly. Today it's so hot. Much better. GoPro 2. What is this? The seaweed? No, not seaweed. About seaweed. This is the Ruriji Temple. I want to come springtime. Yeah, 1 month back. I think this tree is cherry blossom. But now, just tree. Can't smell. Nothing. Inside is not so special. No, not special. Nothing. Yeah. Only one of big cherry blossom trees here. I wanted to see this one. A little bit late. looks like Biwa Lake. Biwa Lake. On a big ship. Is that army? Oh, wave coming because of wave coming from the big ship, I think. Today is so hot. I need to take a break. I have rice ball from yesterday's mother. Thank you, mother. Yeah, I need salt. Lot of sweat. Yeah. Here there is a lot of salt water, but cannot drink. It's not good. Nice. I made big mistake. I came a different way. Yeah, turn right too early.
I thought I'm here, but I'm here.
Oh my god. Yeah. Have to come back. Same road? Fuck. Oh my god. Yeah, that's why. Yesterday's family told me there is some old vending machine place. Yeah, but nothing. So I'm thinking about that place is closed or not. Yeah, but I just made a mistake. Wow. Fuck. Okay, it's good. It's good. Easy. I can drive. I just came back to center. Maybe I turned right here. Yeah, I was stupid. Crazy. What a wide river. So big, so wide. Finally, I found Dharma. This place is lots of like a strange style vending machine. Yeah, so And game center, I heard. Yeah. So go inside. Okay, okay. Wow, so old. きつねうどん、きつねうどん、天ぷらうどん。Put the coin after 27 seconds. うどん缶。Ramen. This is not special. Oh yeah. Oh, Coca-Cola. Hamburger. Why that? Lettuce, ham, hot dog, hamburg, lettuce, roast ham, hot dog, hamburg. What does it mean? This is only lettuce? Yeah, I got it. Strange. Gum, chewing gum. First time. I never seen before. Yeah. What is this? Oh, mom. I'm gonna try one game. Oh, Brave Laser. Long time background. Brave Laser. Okay. I tried this one. One game 100 yen. Expensive. Alright. Come on. Oh, it's a lot. Okay, first ball. Maybe I should put it in the hole. Come on. Oh, yeah. Oh. Okay, okay. Two of them. One. So one more. Ah, no. Four. Come on, one. Push. No way. Seven. Come on. One. Ah, 正解。よっしゃ。来た。落馬となり。いいじゃん。景品は with item. What the fuck? How can I win? Okay, finish. Hey kids, go to bed from here. From now, adult time. Today, I stay spotted erotic place My tent is here. Yeah. And my neighborhood is erotic DVD video vending machine shop. Yeah. Okay, let's go inside. Okay, first thing, lingerie. Bra panty stocking, new bra. Oh yeah, this is the, oh no, costume, swimsuit, waitress. Oh yeah. Oh, this one is broken. Oh, this one also costume. Oh yeah. All 1,000 yen. Oh, this is toy. Yeah. It's funny. It's funny. Do you know why I didn't buy the old vending machine? Yeah. It's first time, so I should buy it. But there is one reason. That is this one. Ta-da! Yesterday's mother's son is chef. Yeah, and he gave me this pasta sauce. Yeah, look at this big hamburger in here. Yeah. So I want to eat this one. That's the reason. Yeah, and this time I don't use pasta. I put this one, mother's rice ball. It's like curry rice, yeah? Yeah. Oh my god. Lots of things. Vegetable. Big hamburger. Tomato. Gorgeous. Look at this. Mother's rice ball and son's pasta sauce collaboration. This meal name is home. You think so cheap name? Yeah. It's okay. I don't have that kind of talent. Yeah. Okay. Cheers. First, hamburger. This is so good. With mother's rice ball. Yeah. Put the sauce, rice ball. Inside. Seaweed. Oh. Now I'm feeling good. You know, yesterday I could take shower and wash everything. So clean body. But today I was so sweat. Yeah. Tired. Yeah. And cannot take shower. I'm feeling a little bit like this. But now, yeah, my energy coming back. What a gorgeous food. Morning. So bad morning. Yesterday, yeah, it's good. Yeah. So I slept in the futon. Yeah. woke up, I can wash my face. Yeah. Today, hot day. Tent also hot. Wake up sweating. So skin is like how can I say stinky? Yeah. Feeling so bad. And today also drive day. I have to graduate this tent and bicycle travel. Yeah. When I can get money from YouTube. All right. Let's go to the Amano Hashidate. Let's go. This is one of famous train spot. Some old train come. Yeah. Actually, I don't interesting about train. Yeah. So yeah, I check, but yeah, maybe just train. There is one people. He also waiting train. Huh? Come. No, yeah, not yet. Yeah, just train. Tunnel, so nice. Outside is so cold. Today is 31 degrees. Okay. Oh my god, still feeling nice. Okay, I arrived. Amano Hashida. I think that one is the tree road. Yeah, that one is Amano Hashidate. Yeah. So today is already I think 6 o'clock. Yeah. So I stay this park. Yeah. Tomorrow go to Amano Hashidate. Yeah. And enjoy the place. Yeah. Okay, so long time, long way. But finally, I came. Yeah. All right. See you.